Hello everyone, welcome to Make Draft and Strength. Today's session is on Archimedean Spiral. So let's see what is theory behind Archimedean Spiral and its construction. So let's start. Just imagine this step by step. Start with a straight line which is fixed at the one end, and that fixed end is known as the pole. And the other end of the line has a point on it, and it is a moving point. So now the two things happen at the same time. The line rotates around the pole and the point slide towards the pole at a constant speed along a line. So as the line rotates and the point slides, the path is traced by a point, and that curve is known as the Archimedean spiral. And each complete revolution of the curve is termed as the convolution. So the curve generated by a point moving uniformly along a straight line, while line rotates around a fixed point with a uniform angular velocity, it is known as the Archimedean spiral. So let's start how the question may occur in exam. So sometimes the question won't say directly draw an Archimedean spiral, but you have to identify it from the hints given in the problem. Common hints are for Archimedean spiral are like a line is rotating around a pole, or the point is moving towards the pole or away from the pole. So these are the common hints given in the problem, so you have to identify it. So here in question there are the two dimensions are given, that is a point P is 100 mm away from the fixed point, means our line, straight line, it is 100 mm, and the pole O, it is fixed, and OP dash is 22 mm is given, that is one convolution is given. So from these two dimensions we can easily construct Archimedean spiral. So let's see the actual construction. So let's start. First of all, draw a circle of radius 100 mm with center O as a pole, and draw the another circle with radius OP dash is equal to 22 mm, and divide the outer circle into 12 equal parts and name the point as 1, 2, 3 up to 12. Next step is to join all the points with center O to get radial lines as O1, O2, O3 up to O12. Next step, divide the length P dash into 12 equal parts and name the point as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash up to 12 dash. Here I am using the basic geometric method of dividing straight line into equal parts. Next step, with center O and radius is equal to O1 dash, cut the arc on radial line O1 and locate the point P1, and repeat the same procedure for remaining points. Similarly, locate P2, P3 up to P11. Now join all the points with the help of smooth curve to get Archimedean spiral. So this is all about Archimedean spiral. Hope you like the session. If you like this kind of content related to engineering subject, please subscribe my channel so you don't miss out next one. Thank you.